आई कैन स्मेल बियर। ये कहाँ लेके आया तू मुझे?
तुझे वाइल्ड क्राफ्ट का पॉडकास्ट करना था ना?
हाँ।
तो ये प्रियंका पटेल की फैक्ट्री है
वाह,
जहाँ
यार।
बियर बनती है।
ये सब इसमें सब बियर रखा है?
हाँ, इसमें सब में वाइल्ड क्राफ्ट साइडर है।
आज तो नहाएंगे बियर में, इसके अंदर नहाएंगे आज तो।
आज तू नहा या बियर पी। तेरा ड्रीम था प्रियंका का पॉडकास्ट करने का।
अभी करें?
So you are yes,
She's ready?
we'll do it. Yeah, she is
Wow.
ready.
Let's
It's a
do it.
surprise for you
Let's
today.
go. हर कहानी का एक हीरो होता है, एक सफ़र, एक ट्विस्ट। पर यहाँ पे हीरोइन है, सफ़र है, ट्विस्ट भी है और बॉटल्स भी है, इसमें बियर भी है। लेट्स वेलकम प्रियंका पटेल, CEO वाइल्डक्राफ्ट।
Hi Priyanka, how are you doing?
Hello guys, I'm so happy that you are here.
Thank you for your time first from your busy schedule.
I am very happy that we could invite you guys to our winery, meadery and brewery.
And we have seen your factory. This is our first experience. हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं, we talk about beer, but उसके पीछे का जो हार्ड वर्क है, जो प्रिपरेशन है, जो प्रोसेस फॉलो आप लोग करते हो, इट इज़ सो हाइजीनिक, आई मस्ट से दैट, एंड इट इज़ सो हार्ड वर्किंग ऑल्सो. पीपल आर वर्किंग सो हार्ड.
So what we are trying to do out here is we are actually getting farm to bottle. So in India, we are such a diverse country. We are blessed with a very good agricultural farmland all over India. So there are a lot of produce. Out here we are just trying to make that produce, utilize it in a way where we can give the best of the craft cider, mead and beer to people of India.
ये तो जानना ही था, लेकिन उससे पहले मेरा एक सबसे हार्ड क्वेश्चन है.
Please ask.
अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री, दारू इंडस्ट्री, उसमें एक फीमेल फाउंडर, वो जर्नी आपने कैसे शुरू की और कितना हार्ड था आपके लिए? और मैंने तो सुना है इस इंडस्ट्री में आने के लिए बहुत सारा पैसा चाहिए होता है. ये करेज आपने कैसे किया?
वन मोर थिंग, आपसे कोई मिलने आया है आज तक, मतलब ऐसे कि आई वुड लाइक टू मीट द फाउंडर एंड CEO ऑफ वाइल्डक्राफ्ट, और ही इज़ लुकिंग थ्रू यू, एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट कि एक कोई आदमी आ जाएगा, नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग ए वुमन. ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
Yes. A lot of times. This has for sure happened a lot of times. That people have come to meet and then they did not expect me or a female to get out of the room and meet them.
And they asked you to call the CEO.
Yeah, that has happened. A lot of times it has happened. But coming back to Pushpi's question first, that being a female founder and in this alcohol industry. So let me tell you, when we started in 2018, that was the time, this whole inception was happening.
I think that was the time COVID was there.
COVID started in 2020, but 2018 was the inception time. 2016-17, we were just thinking about it. When we came out with a license, that was 2019. We started moving out. I started moving out. I was actually meeting the wine shop owners, the restaurant owners, and they were quite shocked. I used to very frequently come across this question that, who are you?
एक दारू की दुकान में, एक वाइन शॉप में, एक फीमेल CEO जा रही है.
I would like to meet the founder, not you.
Yeah, a lot of people did ask me this question that, what designation are you at? Like, are you an employee or are you a consultant? What is your position in the company? And I don't know, when I said that I am the director of the brand Wildcraft Beverage, they were quite taken back initially. But now when we are standing in 2025, let me tell you, I'm very proud to say a lot of female partners in other brands are also there. And this industry is now booming. I can say this for sure.
लेकिन वो जब उन लोग का रिएक्शन, फीमेल फाउंडर, CEO प्रियंका, क्योंकि कभी उन्होंने देखा नहीं होगा, मुझे नहीं लगता कि एक अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री की फाउंडर, और आई थिंक आई एम ऑल्सो मीटिंग फर्स्ट टाइम who is the founder of liquor industry with female founder. It's a very good thing for us also. Women are coming, breaking all the barriers and getting into another industry. It's like,
so I think initially drinking was a taboo, right? And people never used to drink even casually or socially. It was always inside somebody's house or somewhere inside the car or somewhere where people were not open and drinking. Now, I think everybody is casually drinking. Females are also drinking. When I, as a person, if I'm drinking something, I would want a certain drink. So I thought, why not go ahead and make something? And hence we stepped in, me and my partner, we stepped in this, and we kind of figured that we can really do it. We got the license, we got the product out. It was obviously a lot of years and a lot of compliances to be followed, because it's not easy to invest and enter in this industry. But somewhere we kind of break through that wall.
मुझे आपको वो अनकवर्ड स्टोरी भी जाननी है, क्योंकि एक कंपनी स्टार्ट करने के लिए और बीइंग अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री बहुत पैसा लगता है, और मुझे ये भी पता है आप लोग बूटस्ट्रैप हो, तो आपने वो फंड कैसे अरेंज किया, कितनी डिफ़िकल्टीज थी दोस्तों के पास, फैमिली के पास, हाउ इजी फॉर यू और आइदर आई कैन से दैट हाउ हार्ड फॉर यू टू गेट दैट?
So when we initially started, we only started with 2 tanks.
Okay.
And we then thought that obviously we got the place, we got the compliances, we got the license, everything. And then we realized that, let's start with only 2 to 3 tanks first, because investing in any kind of raw material or the packaging material or the infrastructure is a lot when we are talking about alcohol industry. It's not small. So we got obviously something which we had of our own saving. We asked the families to invest. So initial investment was from the family, friends, and something what we had also had of our own. Initially getting that on board and then moving forward. Started off with 2 tanks and then 4 tanks. It was obviously a journey, but somehow we I can say today that we are making more than 8 to 9 variants, and I'm very happy and proud about. Also, we are actually helping the farmers. We go and source our raw material, our fruits, the pulp, the seeds, everything from the farmers. We pulp it, we get it, we ferment it, and then we make the end product here.
आपने मेरा दूसरा क्वेश्चन अपने आप ही आंसर कर दिया। मैं आपको यही पूछने वाला था कि आप ये चीज़ें कहाँ से सोर्स करते हैं, और आपने बोला फार्मर से, दैट मीन्स यू आर गिविंग जॉब टू फार्मर्स to produce more fruits and material for you. And how is government is supporting you in terms of you are helping farmers? Are you getting help from any government sector, because you are locally procuring and producing and selling in the market?
Actually, it's a very good question. In state excise Maharashtra, we have this fruit winery license which we have procured, and out here we are actually making wine from honey, apple, mango, orange, guava, and not only grapes. So we are breaking the barrier in this industry by using those kind of fruits which were never used before. So this is actually helping us and helping the farmers, also the retailers, also the consumers, because they were never introduced to such kind of product. And when they are getting and they are tasting it, they are getting to understand that there is something so much more available, and we were not aware about it and we were never consuming that before, but now we are. So we go to the events, that's where we met at the Little Flea. We meet people, we make them taste, we get the feedback, we understand what kind of taste profile they are looking for, and then we come back here, we experiment, we make, and we put out the product.
We always think that wine, red wine, white wine and all that, with the few flavor, I mean 1 or 2 flavor only. Here we have seen almost 8 to 10 flavor.
Yeah, so that's what I want to ask. What do you like most? New business, marketing, sales, or coming out with a new product, R&D, and
I love the R&D part.
Yeah.
And that's the most exciting part, what we do out here. So when we go back, we get the feedback from the customers. When we come back, that's the time I'm brainstorming, writing every feedback, and then coming back out with a product which probably I'm hoping they will like. Go back again to an event, make them taste, and then they really love it. That's the moment I feel that, okay, all this sweat and blood is now coming out.
So what was the best selling flavor in the last event?
Where we met.
Yeah, so as anybody who asks me this question also, when I'm out for my sales pitch, that what do you think is the best selling product? I think you taste it and then you decide.
Obviously for you everything is good.
Yeah.
But how hard or how easy for being a woman, is your husband supporting in your alcohol industry?
I'm very lucky with God's grace. My family, my partner, they've been very supporting. My friends, this whole journey wouldn't have been possible for sure if I wouldn't have had these people around and with me.
पर हमारी भी एक बहुत बड़ी रिसर्च टीम में से एक ही लोग है जो थोड़ी सी रिसर्च करता है. हमने सुना है आपके हस्बैंड एक बहुत बड़े ब्रूअर हैं इंडिया के.
Yes. So my husband is Mr. Mehul Patel, and he is also a part of Wildcraft. Other than Wildcraft, he is also a brewmaster, a winemaker, an enologist, a viticulturist, and he is really doing very well for other brands. Other than Wildcraft, he also supports other brands. He is completely into alcohol, I think, from past 18 years now.
बट हमने एक और चीज़ सुनी है मैम. I think he represent government also sometime on behalf of government.
Yes, he did visit. Yes, he did visit US once for actually a lot of raw material which are being imported from other countries to India. So he had gone for a research there so that he could come back with a lot of information and try and implement that here, so that we as in Indians do not depend on the raw materials procured from outside our country, but then inside our country.
Okay, which flavor describes Priyanka Patel?
Wow, that's a very interesting question. I would say coffee orange.
Coffee orange. Okay, now another question. When you identify, you have to go with a coffee orange.
Yeah.
How do you start from a blank slate?
आइडिया कैसे है आपको कॉफी और ऑरेंज का मिक्स?
That's a very interesting story actually. When we started, we were working on a product which was coffee. And we started doing a lot of trials. So we got coffees from a lot of roasteries around here. We have beautiful coffee roasters in Bombay, Pune, Bangalore, around in Bombay. And we got some good roasted coffee. We made cold brews. And we were just trying all the trials here. And then all of a sudden, you know, that was the humid time in Bombay. I felt that I'm just feeling too humid. I'm not feeling right after drinking this. We added orange, peels, zest, and the orange juice. And then when we waited after the fermentation, we realized that, wow, this has turned out
So
an amazing
you
product.
actually add coffee into the beer?
Yeah, we do. We roast the coffee, we make the cold brew, and then that's how we make our coffee orange.
You also have kala khatta, right? Kala khatta?
Yeah.
हमने तो जिंदगी में सिर्फ आइसक्रीम में ही सुना था काला खट्टा.
वो तो हमने क्या वो बचपन में गोला खाया था.
खाया था काला खट्टा.
So how did we get the kala khatta out? There was jamun season. Just 2 months back there was jamun. So we got a lot of jamun, we pulped it, and then, you know, beautiful color came out of the jamun. We used it and then we added a bit of salty nature in it, and we realized that this is actually tasting like a kala khatta. Hence, that was the outcoming of kala khatta.
So that is only a seasonal one?
Yes.
Oh, so even the beer is seasonal?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
A lot of seasonal products are obviously because
When you do R&D, I'm sure you come up with the 100 ideas और उसमें से कुछ 10 हीरो प्रोडक्ट ही निकलते होंगे. तो उस रिसर्च में आप लोगों का I mean, I would not say that loss, I would say that investment. How do you come up with this ideas with new taste, new flavor? क्योंकि हमने कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया है, हर बार हमें कुछ नया मिलेगा.
You're right. So what happens is when I go out and I meet people, I'm always looking out for some references. So probably, you know, if I sit and eat food with you, I realize that Pushpender likes something which is more spicy. We came out with guava chili.
Yeah, I tasted in Little Flea. It was yummy.
So we realized that, you know, when I'm sitting with people, what they are liking, we adapt a lot of information from people and then come back and then utilize it. I'm sure doing a lot of R&D is an investment not in this industry but everywhere else. Eventually, I'm sure it will be a good investment for all of us.
लेकिन मुझे एक क्वेश्चन है, पर्सनल है. आपके भी कभी किसी के फंक्शन में या शादी में जाते होंगे तो वो तो ये बोलते होंगे आप लिफाफा मत दो, मुझे तो एक कार्टन आपकी बियर दे दो.
ऐसे ही फंक्शन में have you met anybody from not from the city, मतलब from a small town or something, maybe relative और दूर का कोई पहचान का.
महाराष्ट्र में.
हाँ, किसी ने अगर पूछ लिया आपको आप क्या करते हो शहर में, मैं तो दारू बनाती हूँ.
So actually, it's very interesting. My own daughter, she's very small right now. she went and she told her own school teacher that my mother and my father makes wine. So the teacher did not believe her, and the teacher felt a bit weird that why is she saying this. So she called us and then she asked us that is this true? So I said yes, it's true. So she was very happy. She was like, wow, you know, we have such parents in our school, you know, who are actually taking a step forward and not just getting into the zone and just doing the normal things, also coming out of the box. So I would say that this is one of the out of the box profession, and I'm very happy to be in.
तो आपके सामने बहुत सारी वुमेन हैं, वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर है। आई एम श्योर आपको देख के बहुत सारे लोग इंस्पायर हुए होंगे। जब आपसे वो मिलते हैं, ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट आपके साथ हुआ है कि प्रियंका मैम, मैंने आपको देख के मैंने अपने बैरियर को तोड़ा है एंड आई एम कमिंग विद दिस प्रोडक्ट?
So I cannot say that they are actually out with this product, because getting in this industry and getting out a product, you know, you can say, but I can say this, that I also handle the marketing and the sales part for my business. So we hire interns. So a lot of interns come with us and they work for a period of time. And that's the time when a lot of knowledge impartment is happening. We get a lot of knowledge from them. They do take knowledge from us. And that's the time when I met an intern and she said that I really look up to you, and someday in the future, whenever I get this kind of money and the knowledge, I would want to pursue this kind of a business. And I was very happy to hear that.
Any new flavors coming?
Yes, we are coming out with a lot of new flavors. I can say that Christmas is coming. So we have something which is called as mulled wine.
Mild wine.
Yeah.
But that's a beer.
It's a wine, mulled wine.
Okay, you're coming out with a wine here.
Yes, mulled wine, and it's very interesting product. We add apple, cinnamon, and orange. A lot of this is added in our tanks. It's brewed, it's fermented, and then it comes out. It's really very beautiful product. I will for sure invite you guys for my Christmas event. So craft beer industry and fruit wine industry, the alcohol industry, is very huge. We are just a small part of it, I can say that. But yes, this is our journey, which I am hoping that we can make our own footprints and make our own mark.
It is courage to come up with this idea, being a female, survive 5-6 years. You have a very big path. What is your plan, ma'am? Generally, आज तो लोग बोलते हैं हम bootstrap to IPO जाएंगे. आपकी 10 साल की जर्नी में आप अपने आप को कहाँ देखते हो?
So IPO and all that, obviously that's a part of the business. You have to do all that. I might not talk about that side, but I can for sure say this, that I am here when anybody who walks up to me at my stall or wherever my brand is being represented, they should come and drink those kind of products where they've never had, or probably, you know, they've never tasted it. So that's the whole agenda and idea out here, that we want to go ahead and make those kind of products which nobody has ever had it.
मेरा तो ऐसा भी सजेशन रहेगा, because I travel a lot. This is a product you are giving job to farmers and all that. You should open your one brewery with all state. Like last time I've been to Ladakh. There is a fruit called sea buckthorn.
Yes.
Nothing is there. I think you should come up with the idea with sea buckthorn. It's a rare.
That will be
I
nice.
call for some testing first. You see, and I have couple of friends there. They are farmers.
Oh, wow.
It is rare to get from there, but we will shortly try to arrange. And it's a very, even our Prime Minister promoted that in last, I think, 2 months back. He was talking about sea buckthorn.
Very nice. We have an R&D department. Mehul heads that department. He will for sure consider this as a very good thing, as an addition to one of the ingredients, because we are always hunting good ingredients.
And if that works out, you know what to name it.
Yes.
Pushpi and Wish. And don't worry, we'll give it to all the VIPs with whom we will be shooting podcast.
I'll be more than happy.
मेरी तरफ से एक और क्वेश्चन.
Yes.
आप एक टियर 1 सिटी में पैदा हुए हैं. आजकल टियर 2, टियर 3 में भी लोग हैं. They are women are coming out and equally काम करना चाहते हैं. पर आज भी यू नो समाज में लोग डिस्टेंस क्रिएट करते हैं. व्हाट इज योर 5 थिंग फॉर अ वुमेन हु वांट्स टू डू 9 to 5 job? I would like you to say something wherein they should start their own business like you. There should be more heroes like you.
The first important thing is having a roadmap. Without a roadmap, you cannot really go forward. So getting your plan, getting your roadmap, getting your funds, everything. Once you made up your mind that I want to do this, वो सब कुछ अरेंज हो जाता है. बट एक दृढ़ निश्चय, एक रोड मैप होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. टू स्टार्ट ऑफ, दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ having a 5 to 10 year plan. If not 10, at least 5 year plan. With that roadmap, you have to have a 5-year map. After that, you have to be very consistent with that plan. ये मेरा थर्ड इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट है कि हमें बहुत कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करने से दो चीज़ें होती है. ऐसा नहीं है एवरी डे इज़ वेरी गुड इन बिजनेस. यू नो देयर इज़ अप्स डाउन्स, ऑल ऑफ अस फेस दैट. या एवरी डे. सो वो कहीं ना कहीं हम लॉस्ट हो जाते हैं. तो हमें हमारे सामने वो गोल रहेगा. सो आई थिंक वी कैन स्टिल ड्यूरिंग द डाउन्स गेट अप and walk and make our own way with that roadmap, what we've planned out. Once the consistency comes, then obviously there will be success. After you get success, then you should know what you have to be doing forward with your company and your brand. I think this is the most important thing for all of us to understand.
बट आप लकी थे, बीइंग अ फीमेल. आप इस इंडस्ट्री में आए, एल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री में आपकी फैमिली ने सपोर्ट किया, आपके हस्बैंड ने सपोर्ट किया. देर आर पीपल वेयर फैमिलीज आर नैरो माइंडेड. मेरी बेटी है, कैसे करेगी. आज क्या होता है, लड़की को वड़ा पाव की स्टॉल भी चालू करनी है ना, तो घर फैमिलीज आर वेरी स्कैर्ड कि अरे हाउ कैन शी डू इट. तो ये बैरियर फैमिली में से वो लड़की प्रेशर से बाहर निकल के ये काम करे, उसके लिए आप क्या बोलें?
I can say one thing that ये इंडस्ट्री में एंटर करना इज़ एग्जैक्टली सेम लाइक एनी अदर इंडस्ट्री. अगर आप 9 to 5 जॉब कोई ऑफिस में जाके कर रहे हो या आप अल्कोहल इंडस्ट्री में एंटर कर रहे हो, इट इज़ रियली वन एंड द सेम थिंग. एफर्ट्स उतने ही लगने वाले हैं. ऐसा कुछ गलत नहीं है यहाँ पर. ऐसा नहीं है दैट वी ऑल आर जस्ट सिटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग हियर. ड्रिंकिंग इज़ ओनली फॉर अ सोशल थिंग. व्हेनेवर वी ऑल सोशलाइज वी ड्रिंक. बट वो कॉज, वो जो सोशलाइजिंग जो हम कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए जो हम ड्रिंक कर रहे हैं, वो भी हम क्या लोगों को ऑफर कर रहे हैं. इफ़ वी कैन गिव आवर बेस्ट, देन व्हाई नॉट. एंड इफ anybody in this world or in India wants to join this industry, for sure should come up. They should not think twice कि अरे मेरे फैमिली का प्रेशर रहेगा, मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. नहीं, आप फैमिली को बोलिए, समझाइए, आई एम श्योर इट विल वर्क.
पर एक और मेरी रिसर्च है, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा, अगर आप हेजिटेट होंगे तो आप भी मत लेना. मुझे पता है हम जिस सिटी में बैठे हैं वो मुंबई है. बहुत सारे स्टार्स, बॉलीवुड स्टार्स आपका प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हैं. इज इट ट्रू?
There are a lot of people who are drinking our products, which is right. We've done a lot of holy parties also. We've done a lot of events also for them. We've done actually a lot of weddings also. So it's good. I'm happy that people are liking the product and they are drinking it. But yes, obviously, because वो नाम disclose होता है तो फिर comfortable नहीं होती है people.
सो एनी फ्यूचर प्लान जहाँ पे जैसे संजू बाबा ने अपना ब्रांड निकाला है, खुद का एंडोर्समेंट, आर यू ब्रिंगिंग एनी सेलिब्रिटी फॉर योर एंडोर्समेंट?
Yes, we would love to. But we're too early at this stage where any Bollywood actor or any celebrity can be approached. But yes, that's my aim, to reach at a certain stage where we can get them endorse our product.
Till then you can afford us. ले. Yeah.
Sure. Cheers guys, cheers, cheers.
थोड़ा थोड़ा लेके जाएंगे घर पे. चलो.
थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम.
Thank you, thank you. Yes, I'm happy that I could invite you guys and you guys could come and see the process of making the product.
नेक्स्ट टाइम हम जब भी आएंगे, आप जब बुलाओगे, आपकी कोई दूसरी फैक्ट्री स्टेट में या दूसरा प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च में, वी वुड लव टू कम.
या साथ में चकना लेके आएंगे.
Thank you guys, thank you.